Okay, so I thought we'd do, as it is Shrove Tuesday, is today we will do a pancake. So you can obviously prepare your mixture. Being at home is quite simple for me to obviously have that done, but you can carry it with you in a Tupperware or a container. Take that to the side, and it's quite nice for the children to experience something they typically do at home out in the open. So I'll pop that on there. A little bit of spray oil. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking a look at the oil, making sure that it's starting to bubble. If I know it's starting to bubble, I've got the heat there enough to put my mixture in. You can probably see we've got a little bit of wind, so do what I did earlier, just making sure moving position if I need to. At the moment it's going over that direction. Moving position if I need to make sure I'm maintaining safety for myself as well. So let's pop now a little bit of the mixture in. Okay, that's starting to bubble in the heat there. Okay, that's starting to heat up nicely. So just like you do at home. Quick check. Lovely. Now what I would say is you don't want to do showboating when you're around a fire like this. It's all very well and good, pancakes at home, flipping them, but obviously with the fire you want to make sure you're keeping yourself safe, keeping this position at all times. So I would just say use your utensils, be sensible, be safe with it, and leave the showboating for another time. Okay, it's looking good. A little bit longer, and then we'll move it over. Obviously pancakes are well, nice simple ingredients, things you can transport pretty easily, and it's something that you can do on one of the pans that has the individual pancake moulds. That's quite nice as well, so you can do a group of 12 quite easily there. Something children get involved in as well. They can watch that from a distance, and they're familiar with it, and it's something they can just enjoy. It's an easy kind of snack option, I would say, if you're out for a school, especially if you do the extended sessions over, say, a lunchtime period. Okay, flipping that over. Again, use your utensils, no showboating at this point. What you want to do as well, make sure you maintain an area, a space where you can take your frying pan, put it somewhere safely. Just over to the side here I've got a tiled surface, so I'll be moving this over onto a tile, and again, and dispose of any contents within the frying pan. In this case we don't have any excess oil to worry about. We're just going to be putting it onto a plate and eating it when it cools down, but anything excess you need to make sure you've got a nice safe space to move that over to and to dispose of it. Okay, we're nearly done with our pancake. One more flip over there, and I think we will be done. The final flip for good measure. Okay, so here we have our pancake. Obviously you can make it to your own preference. It's a slightly thicker pancake. You can make it a little bit thinner, might make it a quicker cooking option. And obviously you can continue if you want it slightly darker brown. From here you can put in condiments, you know the score with it, but I thought pancakes on a campfire would be a lovely thing to do with your learners at Forest School over the coming weeks. I always say it's actually really good to do these experiences after the event, because then the children have got more to draw upon. It's like when you celebrate a big festival, if you do your learning following that festival, the children have got so much more to draw upon, that language is so much richer. So pancake today over the fire, what a fantastic treat.